Come. It's a celebration, right? We all here to have a good time, right? Come on, make some noise. We're here to have a good time, right? We live to see 2001, 15. Y'all in the wires. Do it. Baby, don't worry about a thing. I see you.
Because every little thing is gonna be alright.
That's what I'm talking about. Baby,
Don't worry about a thing.
try not to worry. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Can you do a verse?
Woke up this morning,
Take it.
finding the rising sun.
You know the bus. It's by my
The
doorstep.
audience is right here.
Singing sweet songs.
A melody's pure and true.
No, I want you guys singing.
Singing, this is my message to you.
Baby, don't worry. Come on, clap.
About a thing.
Try not to worry.
Every little
Yes,
thing
sir. All right.
is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing.
Try not to worry.
Every little thing
It's gonna be alright.
Do the verse. He woke
I
up
got
this
this
morning.
morning, mine with the rising sun. Three little birds
I see chickens in the tree.
sit by my doorstep,
In the tree.
singing sweet songs. A melody pure and true.
And the singing.
This is my message to you.
And now I want to follow my Adrian.
That's right. That's it. Woke up this morning.
Mine with the rising sun. Alright.
Three of them.
Beside my doorstep,
Venga, como se ve de todo.
Singing sweet songs.
Singing sweet
A
songs.
melody
Now I
pure.
want you guys to stand up and sing. Stand up.
This is my message to you.
don't worry.
About a thing. Alright. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry
Don't you worry.
about a
It's
thing.
gonna be a great chance. Don't worry about a thing, okay?
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Thank you guys. Goodbye. That was featuring Shaniqua Jones and the members of the 31st Legacy